Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 25 to the power of x is equal to 125. Now, when we're solving problems such as these ones, and we're using exponents, we always want to make the bases of these two terms the same. As you can see here, the bases of these two terms right now are 25 and 125, which aren't the same. So we need to change these two terms so that they have the same base. Well, what's a common base for these two terms? 5, because 25 is equal to 5 squared, and 125 is equal to 5 to the power of 3. So if we plug these values in for our numbers here, both our bases would be 5. So now we have 5 squared to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of 3. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 5 to the power of 2 to the power of x, this is going to equal 5 to the power of 2 times x, which is simply equal to 5 to the power of 2x. So now we have 5 to the power of 2x is equal to 5 to the power of 3. And if we have something in the form a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, then this means that m is equal to n. So right here, we have 5 to the power of 2x equals 5 to the power of 3. This means that 2x is equal to 3. Now, this is a simple equation. All I have to do is isolate x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. These two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 3 over 2. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 1 to the power of x squared divided by 8 to the power of x is equal to 61. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to deal with this 1 to the power of x squared. Well, if you guys remember, 1 to the power of any number is equal to 1, meaning that 1 to the power of x squared is simply just equal to 1. So this would be 1 over 8 to the power of x is equal to 61. Now, if I multiply both sides by 8 to the power of x, I get 1 is equal to 61 times 8 to the power of x. Now, if I divide both sides by 61, I get 1 over 61 is equal to, these two cancel out, 8 to the power of x. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the log of both sides. So now we have log of 1 over 61 is equal to eight to the power of x. So now, if I take the log both sides, and the power property of logarithms states that if we have something in the form log to the power of a to the power of x, we can actually move this exponent to the front of the log. So this is going to be equal to log 1 over 61 is equal to x times log 8. So now I'm going to divide both sides by log to the power of 8. Now log 8, well, this is the same thing as log 2 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of 3. And remember, we can actually move this exponent to the front of the log. Remember, the power property of logarithms. So now we have log 1 over 61 divided by 3 log 2. And if we're taking the log of a fraction, then the fraction can actually be the log of the numerator minus the log of the denominator. So this is equal to log 1 minus log 61 over 3 log 2. Now, log 1, this is equal to approximately 0. Log 1 is equal to 0. Log 61, this is equal to 1.7853. And 3 log 2, this is equal to 0.9031. So now if we plug in these values, we get 0 minus 1.7853, which is just negative 1.7853. Divided by 0.9031, and this is equal to approximately negative 1.9769. So this is our answer.